Welcome to the session on ones complement and twos complement in binary arithmetic. I am Josmi Joseph, Assistant Professor of Computer Science. This is the session 6 for Digital Electronics and Computer Organization. Here we are going to see how to find the ones complement of a binary number, twos complement of a binary number, and how to do subtraction using ones complement and twos complement. Number representation. The sign numbers, that is the positive and negative numbers, can be represented in three different ways. Firstly, sign and magnitude form. Secondly, ones complement form. Thirdly, twos complement form. In sign and magnitude form, one bit is assigned for the sign of the number. If it is positive, the sign bit is 0, and if negative, the sign bit is 1. In ones complement form, positive numbers are similar, but negative numbers are represented as the ones complement of the binary number. In twos complement form, the negative numbers are represented as twos complement of the binary magnitude. Here in twos complement is commonly used to handle the negative numbers in computers. For representing numbers, there are different ways. We can represent positive numbers or negative numbers. For negative number representation, we have three different forms. First one, sign and magnitude form. Here, one bit is reserved for the sign bit. If the number is positive, sign bit is 0, and if the number is negative, the sign bit is 1. The second way of representation is ones complement form. Third way of representation is twos complement form. Our topic of discussion in this session is ones complement and twos complement representation. And this twos complement representation is commonly used in computers for handling negative numbers. Now let's see how to find the ones complement of a binary number. The method is so simple that change all the ones to zeros and all zeros to ones. Let's see with an example. Find the ones complement of this given number. Given number is this one, 10110101. Just change all the ones to 0 and zeros to 1 in this number, so you will get the ones complement of this number. See, here is the ones complement, which is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now let's see how to find the twos complement of a number. The method is add 1 to the least significant bit of the ones complement of the binary number. That is, twos complement is equal to ones complement plus 1. Let's see with example. For finding the twos complement, first we have to find out what is the ones complement of this number, then add 1 to that ones complement. Here is the given binary number, then find the ones complement. This is the ones complement by just changing the ones to zeros and zeros to ones. Now add 1, so you will get the result as twos complement. Ones complement subtraction. Here for adding two binary numbers, we can perform addition directly. But while performing subtraction, if you use ones complement or twos complement, we can convert the subtraction into an addition. So here, the method of performing ones complement subtraction is like this. First find ones complement of the subtrahend, then add this with the minuend. Then if there is any carry after addition, then remove that and add 1 to the least significant bit of the result. And if there is no carry, then find out the ones complement of the result you obtained in the previous step, and the result is negative. Subtraction using ones complement. 1010 minus 0100. First, the minuend is this and the subtrahend is 0100. In ones complement representation of the subtrahend, 0100 can be written as 1011. Now add this ones complement with the minuend. So 1010, which is minuend, plus ones complement 1011. Now the answer is 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 1, and 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. So here we have a carry of 1. So if there is carry, we have to remove it and then add 1 to the least significant bit of the value. So here adding 1, you will get 1 plus 1 0, and here carry 1, so 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0 is the answer of the subtraction, and the result is positive. Let's see another example of ones complement subtraction. 100 minus 1110. First find the ones complement of the subtrahend 1110, which is 0001. Then add this with the minuend. So the result is 0 1, here 0 1 0. Here there is no carry. So if there is no carry, answer is the ones complement of the value. So and it is negative. So here the final answer is 100 minus 1110 is minus 1010. Now let's see how to perform subtraction using 2's complement. We already know that 2's complement can be found out by adding 1 to 1's complement. The method of subtraction is like this. Find the 2's complement, then add this with the minuend. Then if there is a carry, discard it and the result is positive. Nothing to do with the value you got. Then if there is no carry, then find the 2's complement of the result you get, and it is negative. So let us see with more examples. Here it is 1011 minus 0111. Perform using 2's complement subtraction. This can be written as 1011 plus 2's complement of 011. How to find out the 2's complement is, find the 1's complement of this and then add 1. So the 1's complement of find the 1's complement of 011, then add 1. So here the 1's complement of 011 is 1000. Add 1 with the 1's complement, you will get the 2's complement. So here it is 1001. So this is the 2's complement of the subtrahend. So add this 2's complement with the minuend. So you will get the result as 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 0 with a carry 1. So that is added to this one. So here it is 1, and here 1 plus 1 0 with a carry 1. Here is a carry 1. So we will be just discarding that carry, and the answer is 0100 and is positive. That's how the 2's complement subtraction. So the thing to remember is, first find out the 2's complement of the subtrahend, add it to the minuend, then if there is carry, leave it and go forward. Answer is positive. Here is another example using 2's complement method. 1001 minus 1100. Find out the 2's complement of the subtrahend 1100 by adding 1 to the 1's complement of that. Now add this 2's complement to the minuend. So you will get 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. And here there is no carry. So if there is no carry, find out the 2's complement of the value you get, and the answer is negative. So find the 2's complement of 1101, and that is by first find out the 1's complement and then add 1 to this. So you will get the answer as minus 0011. So final result of subtraction is minus 0011 in binary, that is minus 3. In this session we have already seen how to find out the 1's complement of the binary number, 2's complement of the binary number, and subtraction using 1's complement and using 2's complement. So in subtraction using 1's complement or 2's complement, first you find out the 1's complement or 2's complement and then add this with the minuend. So you will get the result, and if there is carry, perform accordingly, and if there is no carry, do according to the method. Now let's solve some problems. Subtract 0010 from 1110 using 2's complement. We can write it as 1110 minus 0010. That can be written as 1110 plus 2's complement of 0010. Now solve this and find the answer. The answer is 1100. Next one, perform 2's complement subtraction 1000 minus 1011. For this also 1000 plus 2's complement of 1011. Try it by yourself and see the answer. Your answer is negative minus 0011. These are the references for this. Thank you very much.